Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler here, and it is midnight in Alaska. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful, beautiful evening, land of the midnight sun, and I have 7 grandkids, and I want to show you how you can make smartphone money, so stay tuned. Hey, this is Cheryl Traxler, and I want to talk to you about smartphone money and why is this best move for your success? Well, I'll tell you, what is almost always with every person? Right, their smartphone. Key. Text message open rate is 98% with your smartphone. And now you compare that with open rates at 20% with emails. 78% more results than email is your text messaging. That's awesome. That is a huge wow. What a difference. What a gap in that. And robust SMS marketing platform built with you in mind, because this is the best way, the new high tech for now. And this service is also a business as well. So when they send text messages to people's cell phone, they get it instantly. You get paid instantly. No waiting for checks, no waiting for deposit, nobody's holding your money. No waiting, period. This is a robust SMS platform that advertises for you, and you get $100 a pop. Experts run this platform. Experts text your people, 98% open rate, remember, and they make the sales for you. You do nothing but collect the money. So there's no funnel, there's no website, there's no fluff. You just call this number right here, 918-478-8295. This is the most simple automated system ever, and you can promote any business with this platform. So thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel below to continue getting more updates.